Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the HipKit Club. I am working with the gorgeous October kits and I have colored some fabric with the gorgeous Lindy Stampgang sprays from the color kit, and I wanted to have some messy thread nests under some of my embellishments, and so I'm just ripping some of the fabrics away so that I have some pretty thin colored details. Yeah, so I'm scrapping a picture from my oldest son who turned 18 last month, and now I'm layering some exclusive pocket life cards under the picture. I have ripped one of the pattern papers, and yeah, my idea was to create a heavy clustered edge on the left side and then work my way. Yeah, my plan was to use a lot of stuff, and so I'm starting to have a look into the die cuts and the ephemera pieces. There are tons of exclusive stuff and it's just gorgeous. I totally love the kits. I love all of the leaves and I love the colors, and so yeah, today I am just creating a very bright and colored page with tons of white space. So now I'm looking into the chipboard stickers and I'm grabbing some leaves and a circle, and the circle said Happy Fall, I believe. And yeah, now I'm just working my way through the stickers and the ephemera pieces and the puffy stickers and the words, and like I said before, there are tons of pretty exclusive things and I just love them all. Here I decided to go with the words yours, or the title Your Story, and I will change that a bit as I go, but first I'm adding some splatters with two of the Lindy Stampgang colors, the bright pink one and the golden yellow one, and yeah, just to have some little details in the background. Yeah, now I'm starting to glue everything down and I have added some stitches over the paper and the labels, and I totally love to add some stitches. Yeah. So now I'm, yeah, like I said before, I'm starting to glue everything down. I have placed the word story on the circle, and the circle were placed on tons of the methy threads, and now I'm just ripping some more off from the fabric, and I just love how they are looking with the ombre effect, and yeah, I love how this is looking. I am, yeah, just adding some more of the thread, and then I will start, or no, I'm not, I'm still doing it. I'm still gluing everything down, and I'm using some foam tape and some 3D dots, and I will change a few things as I go, some placements and some colors, and so I would just work on it. You can see on the right side from the picture, next to the yellow pocket life card, there's a little cluster, a flower cluster, and there's a bright green colored leaf. And I don't have that color on my layout, so I need to change that because it was I couldn't, you know, it's just I don't want to have that green touch there, and so I will cover that up with a little die cut, but you will see that on the final pictures. These are some exclusive die cuts. You will get them with the or in the color kit, and I was thinking about some white on white details, but I couldn't make it work, and so I will not use any of them, but I will add some journaling, and I will also change the word your. It was not looking perfectly fine on that journaling card, and so I will just, on the label, I'm sorry, so I will change that in a bit, and now I'm just writing my journaling, and yeah, I'm just talking about him and the world and all the adventures that are awaiting, and so yeah. Just writing that, and then I will grab some of the purple, the tiny purple puffy alphas, and I will add his name, and I will change the word your. So I will place the word your with the tiny stickers directly over the word story, and I like that. Yeah. So I believe I am nearly done. You will get a close-up in a bit and some final pictures at the end, just placing the last leaf. And that's it. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I wish you all a great day. Talk to you soon, and bye.